So, you're having trouble with the convertible top on your Jaguar. If your luck's anything like mine, things happen at the absolute worst possible time. My top stopped working on the way to my sister's wedding. The hydraulic fluid leaked everywhere. Repair shops were closed. I couldn't get any answers. After a Google search, I found Marvin. He gave me the answer I was looking for at a price I could afford. Not only that, he serviced my vehicle right in my driveway, and he gave me references before I hired him. What more could I ask for? Not a bad deal, considering the nearest Jag dealership is an hour away from my home. Plus, have you seen the pricing for repairs at the dealerships? Oh, wow! To get your top back in working order at a fair price, give Marvin a call at 888-317-9340. That's 888-317-9340. I'll add a link to his website in the description. Call now, you'll be happy you did.